Baby, I'm gonna go move the subwoofer box like you told me. I'm gonna go put it in the back room.
Okay.
Whoa. It ain't here. Is it back here?
I'm not really sure.
No. Ben ain't been over here, has he?
No.
Kick that fucker's ass. Well, my sub's gone too. Did you send the audio PSI? It's freaking gone.
You didn't put it in the box? Where's the box?
I don't know where that's at either.
Well, where are you going?
It might be outside. I don't know. I know Ben Kent came over the other day. Whoa. Holy shit.
What is that?
It looks like a Chrysler van seat.
A van?
A van.
Wow.
Smell like some Southern EXO shit. Well, all I can say is shouts out to EXO, and I guess stay tuned. Maybe I'll find the stuff. We'll see what happens.